I'm Anjali. I'm studying in NMA MIT NITTE. I'm in 6th semester studying information science and engineering. I've done internship on machine learning with Python from Karunadu Technologies Private Limited. The internship outcomes are we have learned about basics of Python like pandas, numpy, sklearn, etc. And also we have learned PyQt, OpenCV, algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, multiple linear regression, KNN, etc. The objective of the project is to implement whatever we have learned, all the skills or all the algorithms that we have learned, and do our projects and by using PyQt. And we have used suitable algorithms to predict the outcomes using data sets. So the first project is linear regression. So linear regression is statistical method for modeling relationship between an independent variable with given set of independent variable. So here I have taken height weight data set. So aim of this project is to predict the weight of the individual. So here I have imported all the necessary libraries, and so I have dropped weight and height here. Then I have encoded gender so that it will be binary 0 or 1. So the weight I have put to y. So then later I have applied linear regression algorithm. So the output will be like this. So for gender I'll put 1, and for height I'll put 170. So weight will be displayed here. So this is the weight, predicted weight. So this is linear regression. Next one is multiple linear regression. So here I have used the dataset insurance. So multiple linear regression is also a statistical technique. It can use several variables to predict the outcome of different variable. The goal basically of multiple regression is to model the linear relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. So here I have taken insurance. So I've imported all the necessary libraries, and I have also encoded smoker so that it will be in binary, and I have also imported train test split and applied the algorithm here. So the output will be, if I run this, this is the output. So age 18, 6 male, 33. So charges for the insurance will be displayed here. So this is the output for this project, and this is multiple linear regression. Next one is logistical regression. I've used the dataset diabetes. So I've used the dataset diabetes here, and I've imported all the necessary libraries. That is I've imported all the train test split and also the algorithm here. So then I've also used predict. So if I run this, I'll get the output here in binary. So this is logistic regression. Next one is, the last project is KNN. I've used KNN algorithm for this. The data set I have used is wine quality. So I've imported all the necessary libraries here, and I've imported the algorithm here, and then I've even imported train test split. Here I've used predict. Yeah, so if I run this, so if I click on test, the quality will be displayed here. That's fine. So this is KNN. So KNN algorithm is supervised machine learning model, and also it means that it predicts a target variable using one or multiple independent variable. So I have used that for wine quality. So these are my 4 projects. Thank you.